What's up guys, Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports, and today we're going to be doing an install on these Anzo headlights for the 18 to 19 F150s. This is their black plank style headlight that has the switchback feature on it, which means that accent bar is going to transition from white to amber when you actually trigger on your blinkers or your hazards. But this overall is going to be a really good upgrade for the truck, kind of freshen up that front end and give a more aggressive look than just the basic halogen lights that we've got in there right now. A quick side note for those of you guys interested in these headlights, these are only available for trucks with OEM halogen headlights. If your truck has LEDs from factory, this is not going to fit for you. But with all that out of the way, let's go ahead and take this down to the shop and get that install started. With our hood open, we can start removing all the push clips on the upper radiator cover. These clips have a center and outside portion, and to remove them, first lift on the inner portion of the clip to unlock it, then remove the entire clip from the cover. There are also two clips on the intake snorkel to remove. Once all of the clips at the top of the cover are out, remove the cover from the truck. Underneath the cover, there are 4 bolts holding the grille to the truck. After these are removed, unclip the hood latch harness from its push clip and remove both connectors at the latch. Before pulling the grille, we'll unbolt the 2 top headlight bolts and remove the push clip next to them. We'll also remove the 4 small bolts from the wheel well, 2 in the fender liner and 2 in the stock fender flare. Now pop the fender flare from the fender itself to remove the white and yellow clips. Now our front panel can be unclipped from the truck. With this out of the way, we can remove the grille from the front end with a slight pull outward. The bolts that were revealed by removing the front panel can be removed. 3 bolts on the side of the light and 2 in front. Now under the headlight itself, push down on the lower brake ducting panel to be able to remove the stock light assembly completely. Remove both connections to pull the light away. The Anzo headlight is a direct plug-and-play replacement for the stock housing. Plug in the 2 harness clips and replace the headlight into the truck. When bolting the light back in place, we started to tighten everything down loosely, starting with the upper 2 bolts before moving to the brake ducting and 5 lower bolts on the bottom. It's worth noting that the 1 bolt with coarse threads will be replaced in the innermost spot of the headlight at the bottom closest to the radiator. Now that all the bolts are in, we went back to tighten them all down and replace our push pin on the side of the top 2 bolts. The grille is ready to slide back in and push back into its clips to set it in place. With it in its correct spot, replace the upper 4 bolts to the truck. Plug in your top 2 connectors at the hood latch, then the radiator cover can be set in place and all of the push clips can be replaced into the cover. The lower front panel can be clipped back into the grille and headlight panels, then attach it to the fender and fender flare with the white and yellow clips. Slide the clips back into the fender flare first. Lastly, the 4 bolts in the wheel well can be replaced to complete the installation of the Anzo headlights. Test out your lights to make sure they function properly and enjoy the new look of your F-150. Make sure to leave a comment below with what you think of these Anzo lights, and also click the link below to pick up a pair for your own F-150.